Please don't drink and drive. Drink responsibly.
Subscribe, like, share, comment.
Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel Cocktails and Mocktail Factory. This is Amit, your दोस्त and host. आज कुछ खास लेकर आया हूँ अपने मन से आप सबके लिए. आज का जो ड्रिंक है वो समर स्पेशल है, बनता है वोडका से और इसका जो अहम बात है वो है दिस इज मेड अप ऑफ जिंजर. सो द नेम ऑफ द कॉकटेल इज जिंजर वोडका. वी आर गोइंग टू मेक इट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू शो इट टू यू. आप लोग बनाइएगा और उनको फीडबैक दीजिएगा. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट टुडे रेसिपी. मैं दिखा देता हूँ क्या क्या उसके लिए लगता है. So I have taken a tall glass जिसमें मैं already बर्फ भर दिया हूँ. Fill some ice in the glass to keep the glass chill. So now I am going to the next step, and before going I would just like to remind you again and again that please do subscribe my channel, hit the notification bell icon, share my video so that others can also see and enjoy it and learn it, and also do comment in the comment box so that I will also come to know that whether you are preparing it or not, or you are liking it or not. So let's move to the next level where I am going to tell you what are the ingredients I have used for this particular cocktail. The cocktail name is ginger vodka, which you have already came to know, and now I am going to tell you that the rest of the ingredients. The very first thing I am going to use is the base alcohol, that is vodka. So vodka is the base alcohol for this particular cocktail. With that I am going to give Sprite, I am going to give soda, there is a fresh lime juice, as well as there is a ginger ale. This is a new thing you can hear from me now in my video. So ginger is what? This is nothing but I prepared it at home. It's not a big deal. You all also can prepare at your home. This is just a mixture of spoon of sugar, spoon of ginger, dash of lemon and water. So you have to mix all together, and whatever the liquid form comes out, so that is the main thing which I am going to give. Just to inform you that I have given this lemon juice to make the color different. The color is a light pink color, so that also gives a very good look. So this is all about the ingredients. So now let's start with the video. So very fast in the glass I will give some fresh lemon juice. So I have given some fresh lemon juice here. Now I will give ginger. So whatever I told you, that this one I have prepared at home, and you all can also prepare it. It's just a mixture of your sugar, lemon, ginger and water. So this is the ginger ale. What I am going to give you, it is around 45 to 60 ml. After this, I'll give Sprite. Sprite around 50 ml. Now, I'll give vodka. Around 45 ml. We have to start this. You have to stir it properly so that all the ingredients mix up. And finally we'll give a bit of soda as a top up. vodka is ready. I'm going to give a slight garnish with a slice of lemon that will enhance the look of the particular drink. Here it comes, your fresh and refreshing ginger vodka. So I hope you enjoyed it, and now it's time for me to test and give you the feedback. So let me test. That's great. Sour is there, and basically the ginger flavor which is coming out, it's really give you a very like refreshing and a very energetic feel. The base is vodka, so all together the lemon, so everything all together, soda and Sprite, that freshness that is also there. All together it's a lovely and like perfect drink for this summer. So please prepare and do let me know. And definitely again I'm telling you, please do subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to hit the bell notification icon so that I will get to know all the videos whatever is coming in my future. And with that, share it with your friends and write your comments in the comment box. So till then, look at my channel for further videos, and see you again in my next video. Take care, bye bye.